d'Alan Jackson, molt bonica, una cançó que es diu... Si es llegís en català es diria Home, però no, en anglès es diu Home, que vol dir llar. És una cançó homenatge a la seva família, als seus orígens humils, al seu pare i a la seva mare. I és una cançó molt bonica que espero que us agradi. In a small town down in Georgia, over 4 years ago, her name is Music till she met that Jackson boy. And they were young like folks, they didn't want a penny to their name, and they believed the one you vowed to love should always stay the same. And on the land his daddy gave them the foundation of the way for the love to last forever, or until their dying days. Till the bond is strong enough to stand the test of time, and a place for us to turn to when our lives were in a bind. And they made their house from a tool shed granddaddy rolled out onto logs. And they built walls all around it, and they made that house a home. And they taught us about good living, they taught us right from wrong. No, there'll never be another place in this world that I'll call home. Bumblebee. My mama raised 5 children, 4 girls and there was me. She found a strength and faith in God and a love of family. She never had a social life, home was all she knew. Except the time she took a job to pay a bill or two. My daddy skinned his knuckles on the cars that he repaired. He never earned much money, but he gave us all he had. He never made the front page, but he did the best he could. And folks drove their cars for miles around to let him look underneath the hood. And they made their house from a tool shed granddaddy rolled out onto logs. And they built walls all around it, and they made that house a home. And they taught us about good living, they taught us right from wrong. Oh, there'll never be another place in this world that I'll call home. There'll never be another place in this world that I'll call home. Home, moltes gràcies. But baby, it's a shame, 'cause I always feel the same when I can see Texas from here. I can see Texas from here. No matter how I try, it makes me wanna die. So if you see me looking down, I'm trying not to show this frown, 'cause I can see Texas from here. Can say I don't like Tennessee. The people here have all been good to me. So please don't take offense if I start getting tense, just 'cause I can see Texas from here. I can see Texas from here. No matter how I try, it makes me wanna die. So if you see me looking down, I'm trying not to show this frown, 'cause I can't see Texas from here. Texas from here. No matter how I try, it makes me wanna die. So if you see me looking down, I'm trying not to show this frown. I can't see Texas, I can't see Texas, I can't see Texas from here. Ja no puc veure Texas des d'aquí. Moltes gràcies. Però bueno, a part de fer alguna versió, m'agrada també fer algun tema propi com aquest. I don't wanna write another sad song after you're living. I thought it could help me get over your magical love. Another sad song after you're living. 'Cause it's time that I do, my heart beats back to you and it's wrong. I don't wanna run in circles thinking you're gone, and I don't want another long night. I'm in all those walls. When I think about your blue eyes and how they shine above my blue skies, tears roll down my face again. So I don't want to write another sad song after you're living. I thought it could help me get over your magical love. I don't want to write another sad song after you're living. 'Cause it's time that I do, my heart beats back to you and it's wrong. There's no need to tell the world what I keep deep inside, that my life without you, girl, it's the truth I can't abide. And when I think about your sweaty lips and how you slept through my fingertips, there's no way to stop the pain. So I don't want to write another sad song after you're living. I thought it could help me get over your magical love. So I don't want to write another sad song after you're living. 'Cause it's time that I do, my heart beats back to you and it's wrong.